Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Ahead of the Fed, we're going to see what they have to say today, but we expect them to be patient. The data has been somewhat worse than expected to somewhat better than expected on different angles. We don't see a reason for them to move off the patience, but again, we'll have to hear what they have to say. We'll have to hear what Fed Chair Powell talks about in his conference, and we talked about some of the things to look for in our Morning Express, so check it out. Also in the Morning Express, we gave you some levels. We did see the S&P and NASDAQ both overshoot first major 3-star support levels, but the key levels just below there did hold through the open. Pending home sales missed. Overall, somewhat probably weighed on the market a little bit, but then we started to see things turn up. So we're moving back into the green right now. A lot of overhead resistance on Friday settlement prices. Everybody's looking at that. That's probably helped push a little bit of the selling in there, with everybody looking at those same resistance levels. So keep an eye on it. You got the market range bound here between support and resistance. Can we break out of that range after the Fed? Now, crude oil hanging right around unchanged. Now, RBOB gasoline is moving higher here because the number was a smaller build, much smaller build on gasoline than the API showed last night. That's buoying the tape overall. But we saw the energy sector turn sharply lower ahead and into the number, but it's sort of stabilizing after the number, except for heating oil. So watch where we can finish the session. Broader risk sentiment with the Fed is going to be crucial as well. But watch the gasoline. We like gasoline long term. We've been talking about that. Give us a call here. We can talk with you on some ways to play that. And then lastly, gold. That pending home sales number buoyed the gold just a bit. Still down a little from where we started the week. Where the Fed ends up with their statement, what Fed Chair Powell talks about, that's where it's going to matter where gold finishes the session. But you'll get the electronic settlement just before that. Watch where the big key support, 1562 area, break below there is bearish. Give us a call. We're here to help with anything on the board, 312-278-0500.